Hi, in this video I will show you a uniquely shaped snowflake using 3 different stitches. Let's begin with the berry stitch. This stitch is sort of a nested lazy daisy stitch. You can work it either from the inside to out or from the outside to in. I'm making the outer stitch first, then I add 2 more to nestle inside each other. Let me show you that once again. So I make the outer lazy daisy stitch first. It gives me better control over the shape that I want and the size that I want. And then I fill it in with 2 more lazy daisies. And if you have space only to make 1 lazy daisy inside the bigger one, you can just stop at that. Now I move to make the arms of the snowflake with the raised stitch. I do this with a lighter colored thread. The raised stitch looks like a fan. It's a super easy stitch made of a set of simple straight stitches. And if you observe, I'm making the spokes more flared to give it a more open feel. Okay, now I use just 1 strand of the metallic thread to work 3 little dots at the tip of my raised stitch. And that's it. That's my special snowflake that looks like a flower and leaves.